Hi everyone, welcome back to Speako Talko English, the place where we make learning English simple, powerful, and fun. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we're going to talk about one of the most common problems every language learner faces. You study for weeks, maybe even months, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. You can read and write a little, but when you listen to native speakers, it sounds too fast. You make grammar mistakes, forget words, and sometimes feel like you're not improving at all. Don't worry, you're not alone. Every learner goes through this phase. The good news is that you can fix it. Today, I'm going to share with you 4 proven methods that will help you learn any language faster and more effectively. These are practical, real strategies that anyone can use. So get comfortable. Take a deep breath, and let's start learning together. Method 1. Focus on high-frequency words and phrases. Let's start with vocabulary. One of the biggest mistakes many learners make is trying to learn too many random words. The truth is, not all words are useful. To learn faster, focus on high-frequency words and phrases, the ones people use every day. For example, if you're learning English and you pick up a book about architecture or astronomy, you'll learn many new terms, but will you really use them in daily life? Probably not. Instead, start with phrases you can use right away, such as, "How are you doing? Can I help you? That sounds great." These phrases will actually help you communicate in real situations. When I started learning French, I made a list of the most common expressions I used daily in English and learned those first. Within a few weeks, I was able to greet people, ask for things, and express myself in simple ways. Once you master these everyday words, you'll notice that understanding new ones becomes easier because your brain begins to recognize patterns. And remember, repetition is key. Repeat your new words often. Use flashcards, apps, or even sticky notes. The more you review, the faster you'll remember. Method 2. Immerse yourself in the language. The second method is immersion. Immersion means surrounding yourself with the language as much as possible. You don't need to travel to another country to do this. You can create your own environment at home. Start by listening to songs, watching short videos, or even podcasts in your target language. Switch your phone and social media language settings. You'll be surprised at how much you start to recognize naturally. Here's a simple trick that works. Choose a short video or audio clip and listen to it every day for a week. The first day, you might not understand much. But by the 4th or 5th day, you'll start recognizing words, tone, and rhythm. It's like training your brain to hear the language. Another great idea is to find a language partner. It could be a friend, a classmate, or someone online who is also learning. Talk with them daily, even if it's just 5 minutes. The goal is not perfection, it's communication. The more you speak, the faster your fluency grows. Remember, practice makes progress. Method 3. Use technology wisely. We live in a digital world, and technology has made learning easier than ever before. There are so many tools, websites, and apps that can help you learn any language effectively. There are vocabulary apps, grammar games, pronunciation trainers, and even AI chat programs that let you practice real conversations. But here's an important point: don't overload yourself with too many tools. Pick 2 or 3 that really help you, and use them regularly. For example, 1 app for vocabulary, 1 for grammar, and 1 for listening practice is enough. The key is consistency, not quantity. You can also use voice recognition apps to check your pronunciation, or flashcard programs that use spaced repetition to help you remember better. Technology is your helper, but you are the main learner. If you use these tools with discipline, you'll start to notice real improvement in a short time. Method 4. Create a consistent learning routine. Now, this is one of the most important parts of learning: consistency. You don't need to study for hours every day. What matters most is that you practice regularly. Even 15 to 20 minutes every day can make a big difference. Think about your schedule. Maybe you can listen to a podcast while eating breakfast, or review flashcards before going to bed. The goal is to make language learning a part of your daily life. For example, you can listen to one English conversation on your way to work. Read a short paragraph before sleeping. Talk to yourself in English while doing small tasks. These small moments add up. With time, your brain gets used to the language and you'll notice your progress. Learning becomes natural and fun, not a burden. Bonus tip: stay positive and keep going. Every learner has good days and bad days. Sometimes you'll feel excited and confident, and other times you'll feel like you're not improving at all. That's normal. What matters is that you don't give up. Remind yourself why you started learning in the first place. Maybe it's for your job, travel, or just personal growth. Keep that motivation alive. When you feel frustrated, imagine yourself speaking confidently one day. That image will push you forward. Celebrate small wins. Maybe today you learned one new phrase, or you finally understood a song lyric. That's progress. Be proud of it. Every small step takes you closer to fluency. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Focus on high-frequency words and phrases. Surround yourself with the language every day. Use technology smartly, not excessively. Be consistent, even if it's only a few minutes a day. Stay positive and believe in your journey. If you follow these methods with dedication, you'll start seeing results faster than you ever imagined. Learning a language takes time, but every effort counts. Thank you for listening to Speako Talko English. I'm Sarah, signing off. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop speaking English with confidence.